Hi, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we are making a spaghetti using our Hell's Kitchen cookware. This post is sponsored. Um, One thing I like about this is it's dishwasher safe. It can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can use metal utensils in it. Easy to clean. Just a little bit of scrubbing, and I was able to get spaghetti out of here no problem. And it almost looks new. It's not real heavy. And as I've gotten older, I need a quality cookware without the heaviness of that sometimes comes with that. And this is easier for me to use. I'm in the Smifty age, loving it, and I think you will too. So let's go ahead and get started. Start out by grabbing your pot and filling it full of water. We use the 2.5 quart pot, and you want to fill it pretty full. And don't forget to salt it. And you want to salt this like the ocean. And here's some controversy. I break my pasta. Let me know in the comments, do you break your pasta or not? We want to bring this up to a boil. Go ahead and add in some more salt with this, because remember, we want it to be salted like the ocean. Also, make sure you are preheating your oven to 350 because we've got garlic bread to also bake. Make whatever kind of garlic bread you like. I prefer homemade, but you do you. Grab your pan and go ahead and put the ground beef in and get that going. We are going to chop this into small pieces because we want this to go into the sauce and be as even as possible throughout the sauce. So we're on a medium heat because we don't need to cook hot on high. This is even cooking with the Hell's Kitchen cookware. Continue to cook the ground beef, getting it into smaller pieces, and then go ahead and add in your garlic and get that infused into the meat. And once you've added that in, we're going to go ahead and add in the Italian seasoning. The Italian seasoning, we're just going to add in about half of what we use to get that to open up and infuse in with the meat. It's just something I've always done. And I measure with my heart on this, and I taste it to make sure that it has a nice Italian taste once I've added in the tomato sauce. So we're going to let that open up and go ahead and put in your spaghetti sauce. And you're going to want to stir this in and make it as thick or as thin as you want. If you're serving a lot more people, you can add in more spaghetti sauce. And then don't forget to add in more Italian seasoning. And we're going to need to taste this. You're going to notice that the color of the tomato sauce will change colors. You want that because it's more full of flavor and it's going from an uncooked to a flavor-filled sauce. Go ahead and you gotta have a taste. See? Looks delicious. Now our pasta has been boiling. You're gonna check it. I like to use a thin spaghetti. You can use a angel hair if you like. It's quick. It comes together quick. Go ahead and drain your spaghetti and put it into your sauce. Or if you don't do that, you can just serve it separately. Let me know in the comments if that's how you do it. And then just take your tongs and twist that spaghetti into the meat sauce. It takes a little bit to twist and turn and get all of that in there, but just keep working at it. I always seems to struggle a little bit with doing this, but the tongs seem to help the best for me to do it. You can take your spatula and move the meat into the spaghetti as well. Let me know how you end up doing this. I'm always looking for tips and tricks. But this spaghetti came together so fast. It took me about 32 minutes to get it done. And the meal was done so quick. I was waiting on the garlic bread when I made this. I was just so surprised at how quick everything came together. The Hell's Kitchen cookware is making it so I can't say it takes too long to cook during the week. So I'm I'm losing the battle with the cookware because I can now cook during the week and give my family delicious meals. I give a little bit more seasoning, and then I add in some Parmesan cheese, and it is ready to serve. And here's a second meal that you can make with it. And if by chance you have leftovers of this delicious spaghetti, you can take it, put it in another pan, put it in the oven for at 350 degrees, add a little more sauce, add some mozzarella cheese, and bake it. And you've got spaghetti bake. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.